truth here. We've got valve cover loose. See what we find. Oh yeah. That's right. The sprocket. Yep. Sprocket fell off of the camshaft. See the lobe here. Cracked sprocket. All them rubber chunks were from the cam chain guide. Broken bolt down in here. Camshaft. Cam sprocket. It's cracked. Got a broken bolt sitting down in there. Chewed the heck out of that rubber. What is this? Is that just an alignment pin? Yeah. Cam doesn't look too bad, although it is definitely cockeyed in there. Well, guess we continue taking things apart and see how bad it is. Here we go again. Head is loose. Let's see what kind of damage we got in here. Well, that's good news. I don't see any marks on the piston. I don't believe that the valves, the piston, has a bunch of dirt on the head gasket for some reason. These guys, one's a little chewed up. Well, that one might be reusable if we clean it up. That one won't come out until I pull pull the cylinder just for fun while we're in here. And we'll take a look-see at the cylinder. Roll the piston down. Got my I'm gonna have to fish the cam chain out of there though. Alright, maybe we'll do that in a minute here. Yeah, cam chain's hitting. So I'll have to pull the cam chain out. Oh, there we go. It's really good. All right, let me clean things up a little bit. We'll show you what we got. So after closer inspection, I think I see two tiny little valve marks, and you can see where I think my exhaust valves may have had a very close encounter with the piston. So pretty sure I'm going to need two new exhaust valves. I'm going to need this tensioner. You can see it got chewed up, and the sprocket yeah, that's pretty awesome. It looks like it absorbed most of the force, and I'm gonna say it is 100% because of these two bolts. They did not get tightened when the engine got reassembled. See all the spooge gunk from the cam chain tensioner. Everything in here looks pretty good. I haven't looked at it real close yet, but I think this is doable. I think we can save this. We are going to do a leak test on this. You fill the ports up with WD-40 or carb cleaner or something. You shouldn't have anything weeping anywhere around. So we'll check all four valves using that method and just see what we can find. But for my peace of mind, new valves are pretty much an essential at this point, because if the valve is bent, if the valve falls off at a high rate of speed, it tends to punch a hole through the piston, and obviously we don't want that to happen. So one of these days we'll get some parts ordered, sooner rather than later. Work on getting this bad boy back together. I really want to be working on that thing. Too much to do. Just for fun. Here's a close-up of the cam sprocket. Poor thing. We've got all of the force. Cracks everywhere.